Hello manufacturing folks, here we are at AMTEX 2024 and I am at the stall of Blum and in conversation with Mr. Shyam. How is the response here in northern region for you?
We've been participating in this exhibition, AMTEX exhibition, from a long time, and we see that the quality of the interaction that we have with the customers are always encouraging to be back in the show. So for that matter, this show has been quite successful for us even this time as well.
What suggestions you would like to throw to the Indian market?
So the idea is, or the message can be that you must not do any mistakes a second time. So some other culture, some other areas has done some failures, and to learn from this and don't do it a second time. That can be an idea behind, and to listen and to look on this and to be open to go new ways. Maybe for some customers in India, that can be an idea to learn from each other for a successful way.